Hi everyone, Tridib here from Tridib Ghosh and welcome to another video. This is a quick unboxing video of the newly released iPad Air 4. I will make a detailed user experience video after using it extensively for a few days. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the notification of that video. Now many of you might want to see how Apple sends a product when you shop online from Apple India store. So this is the packaging that you get. Quickly cut open the outer plastic and get the box out. Now within the outer box we get the original iPad box. Now here is the pull tab, so now start peeling off the plastic. At the front we have the iPad Air image. The image is color matched, as this is a green one, the image is also green here. At the top we have the Apple logo, at the side it says iPad Air. At the back we have the storage variant, it is a 64GB version, and then it says iPad Air 4th generation Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi only variant of the model. Of course it is the base variant and it is priced at 54,900 Indian rupees. We also have one more storage variant of this, which is 256GB of storage. We also have the Wi-Fi plus cellular variant, which starts from 66,900 rupees in India. Now as we open the box, we have the iPad at the top. Peel off the wrapper, and here is the iPad 4 in green color. This is more of a pastel green. This year we have 5 color variants of iPad Air. We have space gray, rose gold, sky blue, silver and the green. I must admit it looks fabulous in this pastel green shade. If you are buying one, you should definitely try these new shades. Now let's keep that aside and see what else we get in the box. We have the paperwork that consists of a quick start guide, warranty manual and the product information. And of course we do have 2 Apple stickers. Then we have the USB-C to USB-C power cable, and also we have the Apple 20-watt power adapter. So now if you buy a new iPhone, your first charging problem is solved, as you can use it with your iPhone as well. Now take a look at the iPad Air. Let's see the outside edges. At the top we have the big Touch ID embedded power button. We have the 2 speaker grills on both sides and a microphone at the center. At the right hand side we have the volume up and down buttons. Then we have the connectors to connect and charge the Apple Pencil 2. It's magnetic. On the bottom we have 2 more speaker grills, and at the center we have the USB-C port. At the left hand side there is nothing. Now at the back we have a single 12 megapixel camera system and a secondary microphone, Apple logo at the center and the smart connector to connect different accessories. At the front we have a nice large 10.9-inch display with oleophobic and anti-reflective coating and a 7 megapixel front camera. Now one more thing you can see at the back is the engraving. This is a nice way to personalize your device. If you want to, you can engrave anything you want or any smiley of your choice for free. But it is only possible when you order it from the Apple official online store. You will not get this facility with any other online store or third-party resellers. Now let's power it on and set it up quickly. Press the power button and wait for it to boot. And here is the welcome screen. It says hello. Now swipe it up from the bottom, select English. Now select your region, select your country here. Quick start, set up manually. Press continue and then select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect with. We select my Wi-Fi connection and put on the passcode here. Just a moment. Now let's move forward. After putting the passcode, that means the Wi-Fi key, it will take a moment, and we are in data privacy. Press continue, then select the Touch ID. Now the Touch ID is embedded in the power button, as I said earlier. That place your finger like this, and here we go. You should completely cover the power button to enable the Touch ID. Just tweak like that. Continue doing this. Now it says capture all your fingerprint. Will capture the surrounded areas of your finger so that it will be convenient for you to unlock it. So it's added. Now press continue and it says add another fingerprint. So rotate it counterclockwise and use your other index finger to add another fingerprint. Now it says create a passcode. We will create a 6-digit passcode here, and here is the passcode. Then it says apps data. There are different options. We will see don't transfer apps and data for now. You can do it from another iPad or any kind of iCloud backup as well. Now press don't transfer app and data, and it is asking for your Apple ID. You need to sign into your Apple ID, and here we go. Accept, agree terms and conditions. It will take a few moments, and then you can click the express setting or customize it. Keep your iPad up to date. Then location services, and then Siri, then screen time. Press continue. iPad analytics, we select don't share this time. True tone display, turn on true tone, then press continue. Now the appearance, we select dark theme here and then press continue, and it says welcome to iPad. So we are now have completed setting up the iPad. Now let's see how the Touch ID works. It's quite nice and fast. Let's see the other orientation. It is also very nice and fast. Now this iPad comes with 14.1 installed out of the box, but we already have a new version available, that is the 14.2, and we'll be updating it to that newer version. Now take a quick size comparison, and the left side is a 6th gen iPad and the right side we have the new iPad Air 4. The 6th gen iPad is 9.7 inch and the iPad Air 4 is 10.9 inch. You can see a size comparison here. Now I will use this iPad for a few days, then come back to you with a new detailed day-to-day user experience video, so do check out for that. So that was the video guys. If you have liked it, do check my other videos as well. Do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. This is Tridib and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.